Alright guys, welcome back. In today's video we're going to close this position right here on BTC. Annoying trade. It bounced on us here. Sadly we're going to need to get out here. We got a lot of bullish signals. Oh my god. Alright guys, welcome back. In today's video we're going to close this position right here on BTC. As promised, I said in this last video, if we got 200 likes, we would record this trade live. Now, I missed it. I wasn't able to record this live, so I just thought I'd show the ending at least, because I did say, look, if this video gets 200 likes, I'll show it. But I wasn't able to record it, so, I mean, that's just going to be the final conclusion of this trade. Made about 12,000 on that trade. Could have been way better. We were up 18,000 right here, then it bounced, and it's just, we have a lot of bullish signs right now. And I do think we're still going to break below this level with some time. The problem is I don't want to be in it if it's going to bounce. I think we can still bounce another, 500, 600 points. So, okay, guys, it's Alex here the next day. I said that if this video would get 200 likes, we would post a live trade. I didn't want to post the whole video. It was really boring in my opinion, and to watch like a 10 or 20 minute video just for a $12,000 profit, I think it's a waste of your time. Okay, so for that reason, I just showed you the ending there. There's no need to bore you with the 10 to 20 minute video just to make 12,000. And the reason I addressed this in this video is because we've had a couple comments here that I just wanted to kind of go over, like, this one here. Hey man, do you still think it's going down? Genuinely asking, maybe I'm being impatient. So what I assume with a comment like this would be, hey, I'm still shorting it. And, that's a little, that's not cool, because I don't want you to be short of it when it's too late. But like, once again, it's not my fault if you're still in the trade. Once again, I'm not trying to be rude to anyone. I'm actually just breaking this down. I don't think any other channel or person would break something down like I'm doing right now. To be as honest and transparent with you. So you can see, obviously, we're calling for a drop into the lower half of the triangle, which is exactly what happened. Okay, it just didn't get all the way to the bottom of the triangle. And so we made the decision intraday to cash out at 12,000 in profits instead of 18,000. Okay, because we double bottomed. Here I am. I'm hoping we're going to break lower, because I'm thinking if we break this level, we're going down to 34,000, right? But we couldn't break this level. That's why when it bounced, you could hear my voice in that video. I'm a little upset, thinking like, God damn it. Because if we would have dropped, okay, we would have made 50,000. But because we held at this level, only ended up making 12,000. Do you see what I'm saying? So as a trader, guys, if you're following this channel, you have to understand, if you're not in our program, I can't keep you up to date intraday on what's happening. So obviously, I made the decision to get out. But a lot of you might be watching. You might still be in the trade, right? And so you have to understand, I can't keep you up to date all the time, right? That's what our coaching program is for. So understand, guys, there's intraday decisions to be made, okay? Just because we say it's going down to 34,000 doesn't mean that that's actually exactly what we're going to do, because these intraday scenarios pop up, and as I've just shown you, we cashed out with 12,000 in profits, right? So you have to react as a trader. And so that's why if you're someone who continue to stay short of this, what that shows you is that you don't know how to read the charts to identify the double bottom, weak volume on the second bottom, which is exactly what signaled to you that you wanted to get out, okay? So I hope that shows you that you're on your own, in the sense of you got to make decisions for yourself, right? Because think about it. If you just held through this trade all the way up until today, you're now losing money. Same with me, right? We entered here yesterday and we got out here. If I would have held those short all the way until today, I'd be losing money instead of collecting the 12K that we did. So did it suck to collect 12K instead of 18K? Yes, it did. But nonetheless, it's still a decision you have to make, and that's the decision that I made. And so if you fell for the trap of not collecting profits or, staying too long in this trade, once again, highly recommend you learn how to read the chart so you don't fall for this again. Okay? You can see a clear triple bottom, reluctance to fall. That's your signal to get out. Okay, so final comment I'll address here was, yesterday you said it's going to 34. Today it's 2,000 points higher. You say going to 34. Tomorrow probably 39. What do you say? 34 again? I'm a little confused by the comment, but what I do understand is yesterday you said going to 34, right? So basically quoting me on what I said, which is fine. That's fine, but you have to understand, once again, the intraday reversals and the things that pop up that you have to react to, okay? It's like, if I say something, let's say I said Bitcoin's going to 30,000 and you see it rocketing higher to 50,000, are you going to be like, Alex, we're still going to 30,000. You know, you gotta, it's common sense. Sometimes you gotta see these things, and sometimes I think it's common sense that triple bottom means get out, but I guess it's not common sense. So that's why I made this video, guys. I hope that is, you know, transparent or honest or whatever you want to call it, guys. But ultimately, I hope I could break down that trade for you and show you why you wanted to get out and show you the end result there. And thank God we didn't hold for a loss now. We'd probably be down, you know, 10,000 right now, right? So that's how you get out of a trade, or at least that's just one scenario, and that's what we did. All right, so guys, this is not your typical channel. This is not your average channel. I'm not going to waste my time recording a $12,000 profit next time, okay? Expect 50,000 plus profits to be recorded on this channel. Anything below 50,000, it's probably not going to be recorded, okay? So just letting you guys know that in advance. That being said, shouldn't have to prove myself, but I'll do it today just because, look, I think it's the, you know, we got a lot of new subscribers here. So that'll wrap it up for this video, guys. Remember, if we get 300 likes, I'll show you this trade right here. You can see currently making 3,000 on this one. Obviously, I'm not going to show you the entry price and all the details, guys. If you want the entry prices, you want to know exactly where we entered, when we entered, first off, that'll be in the explanation video of this live trade that, you know, we told you in this video right here. Bitcoin is, we think, is going to drop, right? We told you, look, it's not a guaranteed play, but I think it's highly worth the risk and the reward. And so watch, let's say Bitcoin actually rises, right? So are you going to quote me and be like, Alex, you said it was going to drop possibly and it didn't drop? Well, look, we're making $2,700 on this trade right now, right? So why do I have to keep up? I shouldn't have to keep up. So just know that if you're on this channel, I'm not going to sit here every day and show you, look, buddy, we got out with, you know, $5,000 today. Hey, we got out with $10,000 profit today. Hey, we got out with $20,000. Like, just stick around, understand that we know exactly what we're doing. And if you don't see it, then you don't see it. But I can't make videos every day about, look, buddy, look, we should have got out here. I'm sorry you lost money. Look, you're on your own. I'm here to trade, and if you want to trade with us, you can go to crashtrading.com. You can join one of our coaching programs where I'll tell you exactly when to get in, exactly when to get out. That way you don't have to question the trade or question if it's going to go down, okay? Because I'm going to let you know exactly where it's going, up or down, and where to cash out. So let's rock and roll, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. And remember, if you want to upgrade your skills so you don't hold through, you know, rises like that, you can take our charts course, which is on our website right here. Scroll down. It's going to absolutely change the way you trade. And then obviously, you can schedule a 20-minute call if you want to work one-on-one through our coaching program where I tell you exactly when to enter and exit. All right, so, and final thing, guys, give some feedback. Okay, once again, you heard me. You know my opinion. Look, unless it's 50K plus, I'm not really, you know, excited to post a trading video. You know, like, obviously here we're making 3,000, right? Am I really going to dedicate a full video just for a trade that made 3,000? Personally, I don't think so, but if that's what you guys want, then give me some feedback in the comment section below and be like, look, Alex, I don't care if it's a $500 gain. Let's see some, you know, live trades. We can do it, okay? But, you know, that's kind of my idea is, look, if it's not, you know, something spectacular, then I don't really want to waste my time recording it. But just give me feedback, and if it is valuable to you to see, you know, live trades, even if they're under 50, then let me know, okay? So, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next video. Take care, and let's talk soon. Bye.